From the heart of India's clean energy vision, Bangalore, comes a major announcement for the nation's wind power journey. Windergy India 2025, India's only trade fair and conference dedicated exclusively to wind energy, is all set to take off in Chennai this October. The grand event will be inaugurated by Cabinet Minister Shri Prahlad Joshi, Minister for New and Renewable Energy, and Shri Shripad Yesso Naik, Union Minister of State for New and Renewable Energy. From 29th October to 31st, the Chennai Trade Center will host over 15,000 visitors, 20 participating countries, and 350 exhibitors, making Windergy India 2025 a truly global platform. India stands tall as the fourth largest wind energy producer in the world, with an impressive 52,681.2 megawatts of installed capacity as of August 2025, with the government's recent GST reform, reducing tax on wind energy equipment from 12% to 5%, the sector is now geared up for a fresh wave of innovation, affordability, and clean energy expansion. India's ambitious goal of 150 gigawatts of wind power capacity is firmly in sight. Windergy India 2025 will act as a bridge connecting policy makers, innovators, and international energy leaders from countries like Denmark, Germany, and Spain to drive India closer to its net zero ambitions. Organized by the Indian Wind Turbine Manufacturers Association, IWTMA, and PDA Ventures PVT Limited, the event has strong backing from MNRE, Niti Aayog, SECI, NIFE, Invest India, and many leading energy alliances. This year, Karnataka Renewable Energy Development Limited, KREDL, joins as the partner state, showcasing Karnataka's leadership in green innovation. Highlighting India's localization drive, Mr. RPV Prasad, Managing Director of Envision Energy India, said that 65-70% of wind turbine components are now made domestically, expected to reach 85% by 2027, a true reflection of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat in action. With annual tendering of 10 gigawatts and the new ALMM, wind policy, the roadmap to 100 gigawatts of wind capacity by 2030 is taking firm shape. Windergy India 2025 isn't just an exhibition, it's a movement shaping the future of clean energy. From 29th October to 31st in Chennai, the winds of change will truly gather momentum, propelling India towards a greener, stronger, and self-reliant tomorrow.
CEO, Indian Turbine Manufacturers Association. We're having this press conference regarding India 2025, which is one of the world's largest wind energy events, almost the fourth largest in the world. Last year we had participants both nationally and internationally, about 13,000 people in the delegates from 20 or 20 days. And 300 exhibitors. This year we have done small, about 350 exhibitors, more than 15,000 delegates, and from countries countries. Is a marquee platform on board e-policymakers, regulators, industry leaders, developers, making impact and to the world. I'll just share the fact that a land production that we installed within the country last year, about 4 gigawatt hour. It's the same amount of equipment we exported from India. And this industry is an example of indigenization without any support in the government. Now there is a GST release that has come, and that is a very welcome thing. I think with that the industry will go very far. Coming back to wind energy, it's on board so many policymakers and regulators, and we are going to have about 8 to 9 discussion wherein we discuss about challenges faced by the industry, how we can solve it. And deputy government leaders will be joined by Honorable Union Minister, the partnership under the states. The windy states and the manufacturing as well as the investment. So we're looking forward to very hopeful and path-breaking kind of planning discussions. I would welcome you all. Thank you.